63,751. General vehicle brake equipment requirement. 1. Every motor vehicle other than a motorcycle, when operated upon a highway, shall be equipped with brakes adequate to control the movement of and to stop and hold such vehicle, including 2 separate means of applying the brakes, each of which means shall be effective to apply the brakes to at least 2 wheels. If these 2 separate means of applying the brakes are connected in any way, they shall be so constructed that failure of any one part of the operating mechanism shall not leave the motor vehicle without brakes on at least 2 wheels. 2. Every motorcycle and bicycle with motor attached when operated upon a highway shall be equipped with at least 1 brake, which may be operated by hand or foot. 3. Every trailer carrying over 1 ton when operated upon a highway shall be equipped with brakes adequate to control the movement thereof and to stop and to hold such vehicle, and so designed to be applied by the driver of the towing motor vehicle from its cab. Said brakes shall be so designed and connected that in case of an accidental breakaway of the towed vehicle, the brakes shall be automatically applied. 4. Every new vehicle except a motorcycle hereafter sold in this state and operated upon the highways, and every new trailer except a trailer with 2 axles or less than 2,000 pounds of gross towed by an automobile hereafter sold in this state and operated upon the highways shall be equipped with service brakes upon all wheels of every such vehicle. Like the video, subscribe to the channel. Let's keep this going. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.